right, here's Sincerely Sin, Party Girl. It's a snippet.
Late night drives in the whip back home. Wondering when you gonna text my phone. Love when I made it, I'm taking control. Love when I do it, I'm taking your soul. What's on your mind, girl? I wanna know. I do not judge if you dance on that pole. I wanna save you like a hero. See your potential, I know what you don't. I don't make regular bands, I cut on my bands. I go out the country and make a few bands. I cut in my brothers and cut off my friends. In love with the money, I make dividends. I like when I'm here and they saying they twins. They saying they end, they might just envy me. They might just envy me. Solid, but I know I've been working though. Every day, vacation like Poconos. Learning every day, something new to know. Say that I'm okay, I don't really know. No, you balls when you pop out in the section. Pop me a honey, so you know I'm on erection. Pass me the blunt, now you know I'm in a session. Running out of weed, so you know it's a recession. She had a bottle in the club with her friends. Soft from the other side, how can I pretend? Got a pocket full of money on you, I'm trying to spend. And you know I'm with the boys, I got a friend for your friend. Got a roster full of niggas, but you said you got a man. They ain't nothing like me, I'm a down out of baby. Take you out the country, I'll treat you like a lady. Put your number in, I'll call you, baby.
Yo.
If you don't finish that, Sin.
Sincerely Sin, I really like the song. I don't like the kick. It sounds like a flat tire. Like it's flubbing. Blip, blip, blip. I don't like that. For kicks, especially for dance songs, they have to kind of like hit for, and I'm thinking as a dancer where I want the kick to feel. So because when dancers dance to it, I used to dance back in the day. I used to dance. You know what I'm saying? So that one I just need the kick to be a little, you know what I'm saying?
You're waiting on a feature for that one? You don't want to just finish it?
You need that jazzy fade kick. You know what I'm saying? It's not so flubby. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, the song is dope. He's just waiting on a feature.
That's what I said. He don't want to just finish that himself. He want a feature on it.
Yeah, sometimes
I just want it done. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Even if you gotta be the one to finish it out, I like this idea and where it's going, Sin.